You guys are going to go ahead and you're going to get out your Scholastic News. I sent this in your red folders. All of your Scholastic News were together, so you're going to try to find this one that says "Thank you, community workers." We're going to read through it together, and then you're going to answer the questions on the back. If you can, after you answer the questions on the back, turn it into me the next time that you see me. All right, let's go ahead and let's get started. So it says Scholastic News, "Thank you, community workers." Okay, when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, "If you're thankful, clap your hands." As you read, think about why you are thankful for each worker. So nurses care for us when we are sick. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Delivery workers bring us meals. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Sanitation workers get rid of our trash. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Grocers sell us the food we need. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Mail carriers bring us mail and packages. If you're thankful, clap your hands. And then the back of our Scholastic News looks like this. Okay, so it says a neighborhood map. This map shows us where the mail carrier delivered mail today. Houses that got mail are marked with an X, okay? So we see some people that got mail right here, but these people did not get mail yet. All right, so which street did the mail carrier walk down first? Did he walk down Elm Street or Pine Street? How many houses on Elm Street got mail? And then how many houses on Pine Street got mail? So you're going to go ahead and fill those in. And then at the bottom it says how many houses altogether got mail. When you are finished answering this, you can go back through and you can circle any words that you know, any of the sight words that you know, or any words that you just know. Maybe you know nurses. Go ahead and circle that. And when you are done with your Scholastic News, you're going to bring it into school and give it to me. That's it.